Today my video guide is about getting rid of Leefmylife.info pop-up windows, which actually tries to force you into subscribing to its permanent and really uncontrolled push notifications. This particular pop-up by Leefmylife.info says you need to click on the allow button. Sometimes it gives certain grounds why you need to do that. For instance, it could tell you that this is for the purpose of age verification, or for proving that you are a human and not a robot, or for some other reasons. But the reality is that whenever people mistakenly agree with that proposal and do click on the allow button, the browser gets hijacked. So I'm gonna click on the allow button on purpose to explain to you what happens. Periodically you may start getting a lot of ads popping up and pointing your browser to a lot of other deceptive resources on the web. So if the allow button was clicked, you need to immediately fix your browser. Otherwise, you may start being forwarded to a lot of malicious and unreliable pages. Go to the menu of the browser, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings. Now in Permissions, you need to select Notifications. Carefully research the allow area and delete all these malicious pages from this list, one at a time, and be sure that you delete all the malicious sites that you find here, and you may leave some decent pages. Finally, I would also recommend that you double check your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get its latest version is on the page combocleaner.com. After the program is downloaded and installed, let it update the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan to begin the thorough investigation of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Initially it is in the trial mode, however the program performs free scanning of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. The program will show you the exact number of threats, plus you'll be able to know their exact location in your Mac. So how to get rid of these threats manually and for free? As you can clearly see, you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of each specific threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move the particular item to the trash. So once again, click on this icon, remove the threat manually, and you may also consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.